What's up, everyone? Welcome back to ZUDAKO. This channel where we talk about everything AI, the tools, the updates, the most importantly, the news that actually changing the world around us. And today's video is big one because in the last 24 hours to 48 hours, there are five major AI news stories that every single person watching this channel needs to know about. The US Pentagon just made a major AI decision. The White House dropped a national AI blueprint. WordPress just handed AI the power to publish on your website. The legend Andrej Karpathy made a bold statement about the future of software engineering. And Minecraft is now teaching kids how actually AI works. Five stories all happening right now, all extremely important. So let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so first story. And this one is honestly massive if you understand what it means. The United States Pentagon has officially made Palantir Maven AI system a formal program of record. Now, let me break that down for you because program of record is a government terms that a lot of people don't fully understand. When the US military designates something as a program of record, it means that system is now officially funded, not just a trial, not just as a test project, but with every long-term dedicated budget across all military branches, army, navy, air force, everyone. This is permanent. This is serious money. This is US military saying we are all in on this AI. Now, what exactly is Maven? Maven is Palantir's AI targeting platform. It uses artificial intelligence to process massive amount of surveillance data, satellite imagery, and battlefield information, and it helps military operators make faster decisions about strikes and targeting. And here's the part that actually really caught my attention. Maven has already been used as the primary AI targeting platform in thousands of strikes against Iran. Let me repeat that: thousands of strikes already using AI. This is not science fiction anymore. AI is already deeply embedded in real military operations happening right now in the world. And by making Maven a formal program of record, the Pentagon is basically saying this technology is now permanent part of how US military operates going forward. Now, there's a huge debate around the ethics of AI in warfare. A lot of AI researchers and ethicists are very concerned about autonomous weapons and AI assisted targeting. And honestly, those are conversations we need to have uh, as a society. But from a pure what is happening in the world of AI right now perspective, this is one of the most significant development in recent months. Palantir, the company behind Maven, is a data analytics and AI firm that has been working with US government for many years. And this decision basically confirms that they are now one of the most important AI companies in the defense sector. Big story, remember this one. Okay, story number two. This one is directly affects how AI regulated across the entire United States. The Trump administration has officially released a national AI AI blueprint, a 6-part framework that they want to Congress the pass to pass in law. So what does this framework actually say? Let me walk you through the key points. First, and this is big one, the White House wants to preempt all state level AI laws. That means they want a single federal standard for AI regulation that overrides anything individual states like California or New York try to do on their own. Right now, different states are trying to pass their own AI bills. California had it just on AI safety bills. Texas has been working on its own rules. The federal government is basically saying, stop, we want one nation rule, not different ones. Second, the framework covers child safety. Specific rules around how can AI and cannot interact with minor, which is conversation that's been building for a long time given how kids are using AI tools. Third, data centers. The blueprint included provisions around building more AI infrastructure inside the United States, which is very much connected to the ongoing AI arms race with China. Fourth, scams. AI powered scams are becoming a massive problem. Deep fake voice calls, fake videos, pushing powered by AI, and the framework wants specific laws to deal with this. Fifth, intellectual property. This is huge for creators. How do you handle AI systems that were trained on copyrighted content? This is a battle that artists, writers, musicians, and filmmakers have been fighting for the last couple of years. And sixth, anti censorship. The framework apparently includes language around preventing AI systems for being used to censor speech, which fits very much with the current administration priorities. Now, a framework for the White House is not a law. Congress still needs to act on it, and that process can take months or even years. But the fact that is now an official federal AI blueprint on the table means this conversation is moving fast at the highest level of government. If you are building with AI, if you are using AI tools in your business, if you are creating AI content, the laws that come out of this framework will directly affect you. Stay watching this space. All right, story number 3, and this one is going to hit different for everyone who has a website. WordPress, which just to give you context, powers somewhere around 40 to 43% of all website on the entire internet, has given AI agents the ability to write directly to your website. Here's what happened. Automatic, uh, the company behind WordPress, Automatic, added 19 write operations to its MCP integration. Now, MCP, standard for Model Context Protocol. It's basically a system that lets AI agents connect to and control external tools and platforms. And what these 19 new write operation means is that AI agent can now draft blog post for you, build entire pages, manage your comment section, and handle other content action on your WordPress site. So imagine this: you give an AI agent a topic, you walk away. The agent researches, write a full blog post, format it correctly, and saves it a draft on your WordPress site. All without you touching a single button. Now, here's the important part, and I want to be clear about this. All changes requires your approval, and they start as a draft. So the AI is not just publishing things on your website without you knowing. You still review and approve everything before it goes live. But the fact that AI can now interact with WordPress at this level is massive deal. We are talking about the most widely used website platform in the world essentially, opening its door for AI automation. Think about it. What about this means for content creators, for businesses, for digital marketers, and workflow is about change completely, right? Uh, and this is just the beginning. As more platforms add MCP integration like this, AI agents are going to start controlling more and more of the software we use every single day. We are moving very fast towards a world where you have an AI assistant that doesn't just give you advice, it actually goes and does things for you across your tools, across your platforms, across your digital life. WordPress just took a major step in that direction. Okay, story 4. And honestly, if you are a developer, a programmer, or anyone who writes code for a living, you need to pay very close attention to this one. Andrej Karpathy, for who don't know, he is he is one of the most respected AI researchers in the world, former head of AI at Tesla, co-founder of OpenAI, has made a statement that being talked about everywhere in the tech community right now. Uh, Karpathy says that software engineering is now approximately 80% delegating tasks to AI agents. 80%. That is not a small number. He is basically saying that modern engineers' jobs is no longer primarily about writing code. It about merging, directing, and overseeing AI agents that writes code for you. And he went even further. He predicted that most software user interfaces, the apps, the dashboards, the websites you interact with will actually be replaced by APIs, because of if AI agents are doing everything, they don't need a pretty interface. They just talk to raw the API directly. He called the current state of things skill issues, meaning that the engineer who are struggling are the ones who haven't learned how to work with AI agents yet. Now, I give you I want to give you my take on this, because I think this is really a nuanced thing. On one hand, Karthi is absolutely right that the role of developers is changing rapidly. The people who are succeeding right now, the ones who treat as AI powerful, AI assistant, and learn to direct it effectively. On the other hand, understanding the fundamentals of code still matters enormously, because you need to know whether the AI agents are is doing the right now things, making mistakes or not, right? So, but his broader point stands. We are entirely what many people in the industry are calling the agent era, the era where you don't know, where you don't do task yourself. You assign it an AI that goes and execute it. And this connects directly what we saw in the WordPress story. AI agents having right access, AI agents managing your inbox, AI agents handling your business workflow. Karthi is not predicting the future here. He is describing what is already happening right now in the most advanced engineering teams in the world. If you are developers watching this message is clear. Learn to work with agents, learn to direct AI effectively, because the definition of what it means to be a software engineer is changing in real time. Okay, uh, story number 5. And for the final story today, I genuinely love this ones. Minecraft Education has launched a free coding tutorial specifically designed to teach kids how artificial intelligence works, and the way they're doing is brilliant. In this tutorial, kids actually programmed an AI agent inside Minecraft. The agent has to figure out how to gather resources on its own, and then use those resources to build shelters. So kid this was so the kids are not just learning what AI from a textbook, they are literally building one. They are defining the agent's goal. They are saying how it makes decisions. They are uh, watching it succeed and fall and adjust. And when it works, when the AI agents they build actually goes and collects wood and build houses, and that is moment where a kid goes from being someone who uses AI to someone who understands AI. This is uh, huge for the next generation. Right now, most kids, honestly, most adults interact with AI as a black box. You type something in, something comes out. You have no idea why or what and how. That black box mentally creates fear, it creates confusion, it creates the kind of misinformation and AI panic that we see in the news all the time. But when a 12 years old programs their own AI agents and watches it works, they understand the fundamentals, they understand the AI is not magic, it is instruction, goals, decisions and feedback loops, right? And Minecraft is perfect a platform for this. It is already used in classrooms around the world. Kids already love it. The barrier to entry is zero. This one of the most positive AI education initiatives I have seen in the long time. Free, accessible, and genuinely effective. If you kids, younger sibling, or anyone in your life between the ages like 8 to 16, show them this. It could genuinely change how they see and interact with technology for the rest of their lives. Okay. Okay, so let's do quick recap of everything we covered today. One, the Pentagon has officially locked the Palantir Maven AI as a permanent military program. Two, the White House dropped six-part nation AI framework, pushing single federal standard that would override all state AI law. 3. WordPress just gave AI agents to power to write and manage content directly on your website. 4. Andrej Karpathy declared that 80% of engineering is now delegating to AI agents. 5. Minecraft Education launch free coding tutorial where kids program their own AI agents. 5. uh, One video, and this is I say every single time, AI not coming, AI is here, AI and it moving fast then most people realize. If you found this video valuable, if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe this button. It genuinely helps this channel grow and helps most people find this new content. uh, Subscribe if you don't haven't subscribed this channel, right? uh, we drop AI news and updates regularly right here on ZUDAKO. And drop comment below. I want to know which of these five stories surprised you the most. Was it Pentagon or Karpathy? Let me know. Whatever it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much.